Hi everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good from wherever you're watching me from. Welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas with the Cookbook Kitchen as we try out Christmas cookies from around the world. Today I have a very interesting video. Today I will try out fried cookies. Yes, I'm excited for this one, fried cookies. So if you're looking for a Christmas cookie recipe and you don't have an oven, this is a recipe for you. This is the recipe from you. So what are we cooking today? Today we are heading to Norway for a taste of Fattigman cookies or Fattigman cookies, a classic Norwegian Christmas treat. Let's see what you are working with so that we can begin our video. I have some butter, I have some eggs, I have some whipping cream, I have some all-purpose flour, I have some sugar, this is some cardamom, baking powder, and some salt. And the other thing will be the oil for deep frying the cookies. So we'll start by creaming our eggs, the sugar, then we are going to stir in our butter, then from there we are going to gently fold our whipped cream. So we are going to sift our flour, our cardamom, baking powder, and the salt. So we are going to mix our wet and our dry ingredients. I'm going to use my hands. The recipe says that we should avoid handling the dough too much because that will make the cookies to be tough. So we are going to chill the dough for at least 30 minutes or overnight. I will chill mine for 30 minutes, but you can also chill it overnight according to the recipe. So see you after 30 minutes. Our dough is here. I don't know if I told you where the recipe is from. I've gotten the recipe from a website called the Spar Eats. I'll put a link in the description below. I think I forgot to tell you guys, but it's okay. Spar Eats. I'll put a link in the description below for this exact recipe. So I'll flour my surface a bit, and then we're going to roll our dough. This is the cookie cutter that I'm going to use. I'm going to use this side. And then we are going to cut them into diamonds. Supposed to slash with a sharp knife. This is it. This is what you're looking for. I think it's smaller. Let's widen the gap a bit, like that. And then you twist. Oh Lord. You twist inside. Yeah, I think so. I think it's supposed to be like that. So I'm going to arrange mine over here. Let me flour the surface well, like that. And then we repeat the process. that's basically it. Then from there, it's deep frying. So we want them to be golden brown. I think we have achieved that with this one. Look at that.